Adventure Concepts, Richard, or I'm Byron, and today I want to show you the new Bushman DF30-HD drawer freezer. This has just come in, and it's Bushman's brand new drawer fridge freezer. 25 litre tub capacity, can fit up to 30 cans in there, with individual spaces, so you can fit whatever you need in there. This fridge is one of the most efficient Bushman fridges. Down at -18, it'll only draw 1.5 amp in 25-degree ambient temperature. This fridge features a full steel latch and a 7-year compressor warranty. And heavy-duty mounting brackets. It's all ready to survive the Australian climate.